What's up, guys? It's March 20th, 2024. Do a breakdown of the Emini. Bulls got the breakout. It was a nice measured move today. Talk about the first 6 bars, the leg 1, leg 2 moves, and where we are in the market cycle. One thing I want to say is when we have FOMC or very large news bars like this, it kind of resets the day. So we'll talk about this for the consistency and to learn about range bound price action, because you can still make money. Just because it's super sideways doesn't mean you don't have to trade it. It's just harder to trade. But then it also resets here. So bar 1 looks like it came up, tested yesterday's high, and reversed down. And bears got 2 legs into the EMA. You can count from here, leg 1, pull back leg 2. Or you can go leg 1, pull back leg 2. Even pull back leg 3. And that's kind of a wedge bottom, a fractal wedge bottom. The EMA is acting as support after yesterday's bull run. And then bulls get a few legs higher. I see this as a breakout because it's a reversal. Bar 6 is the first pullback. So breakout, pull back, leg 2, pull back. Leg 3 is climactic. This could be a wedge top. These bars are getting big into resistance. Bears get a 2-bar reversal here. So bar 12 is bullish and bar 13 is bearish. It's a reversal at resistance into the EMA. EMA is acting as support again. Bulls get a small channel higher for a few bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Something I just noticed looking at these bars that's really interesting. I guess not that interesting, but it's still cool to check it out. It's not that interesting. Anyways, look. So look at these bars. This is a trend bar. It's not. Yeah, it is a trend bar. Doji, trend, doji, trend. So what is that? That's a leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. Higher low, wedge top. I don't know why I said high. I should have said wedge top, higher low first, and then yeah. So here's the higher low. Here's the wedge top. That was a good. Okay, whatever. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, pull back leg 4. Reverses. This looks pretty wedge bottom. Maybe this doesn't count as your first leg. Bull channels. So we have a bull channel and then a bear channel. Bar 22 is in both channels. So bar 22 is the end of the bull channel. It's the start of the bear channel. So bar 22, yeah, I just wanted to point that out, is like channels are in transition. So it's always transition. It's not just one thing. So here's that transition, breakout, pull back leg 1, pull back, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. Bulls get a few legs, a breakout above the EMA, still trapped under resistance, and then bears sell off hard into the low of the day. 3 strong bars, looking good for continuation. However, FOMC is coming up. Bears may want to break down below the EMA. Bulls want to keep the gap open. Leg 1, pull back, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, and then bulls get the breakout. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back. Okay. Scratch what I just said. So here we go. So FOMC, bulls get a good breakout bar, bad continuation. However, this ends up just being a deep pullback, testing around this level here. So we see a wedge bottom, somewhat of a wedge bottom. 1, pull back 2, pull back 3. That's 3 pushes down. Bar 62 creates a 2-bar reversal, and bulls get the breakout. This is interesting. So this is the breakout bar. So in terms of the market cycle, right? This is the breakout bar. This is the first pullback. So now we're in the channel phase. So channel. And then you could say this is a new breakout, or you could say this is part of the channel phase still. If it's channel, maybe leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, pull back leg 4. Or you could say this is a range right here, and the market breaks out with bar 65 and has followed through with the market breaks out with bar 63 and has followed through with bar 64, and then this starts the channel phase, and they get their leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. Wedge top into the measured move. That measured move is yesterday's range projected up. So this is yesterday's high, yesterday's midpoint, yesterday's close. Bulls got the breakout. The fibs were projected here and it was met. So that's pretty tight. I wonder if there is some resistance at the 50% level. Let's see. Oh, what's going on? Hold on. Not really. So yeah, scratch that 50%. Anyways, yeah, so there's multiple ways to read this from the market cycle. This could be your breakout, deep pullback. This could be your breakout, pullback, channel phase. And then the market goes sideways right here, really. So we do the leg 1, leg 2 moves. Wrap it up. It was a quick day because the opening price action was weak. And that's not always going to happen. I remember catching some good moves pre-FOMC before. So price action is price action. We trade what we see, not what we think is going to happen. It's just what we see. That's what I like. I've noticed a lot of people trying to project, like, they're like, maybe this could happen, I'll do this. But when you trade price action, it's really just reading the markets. You just read what happens. Trade small, buy or stop. Or don't trade small. Do you. It's the stock market. There are no real rules, buddy. That's meant, which is awesome. Big 1, leg 2 there. I guess I'll just do it for the muscle memory. But we went over how that was 3 legs. This is 1 leg. That's kind of met, but it's super deep pullback, so not the best trade. Let me know what type of trade you guys are taking in the comments. It'd be cool to see. I know Trader Chick, she's a breakout trader. I like to trade breakouts, so that's awesome. Let me know what else you guys are trading. If you guys trade range bound price action or what you prefer to trade. I'm trying to get better at range bound price action. Right now, me getting better at range bound price action is not buying the highs and lows, if that makes sense. It's not necessarily making money. I just gotta not be buying the highs and lows. So there's multiple ways to get this measured move here. You guys can see me playing around with it. That's a breakout, maybe right here, and that's met. But also yesterday's range was also a breakout and a measured move, and that's met. So that's cool. Here, leg 1, pull back, leg 2. That's met with bar 63. And then maybe we do 1-to-1 bar 6 like that. Because this is the breakout. These are strong breakouts of this bar's range here. And oh wow, that is met. That was tight. I guess I was flimsy with it. I guess it doesn't count. There we go. And it's met to the tick. So I did the bottom of 63-ish to the high of 64, and that was it keeps going up by a tick. No. So yeah, that was met. Pretty cool day. I went over the market cycle. I just talked about it really quick, and I don't want to keep repeating it. I kind of jumped the gun because there's different ways. Where are we in the market cycle? I'll talk about it. I talked about it in 5 minutes. I'll talk about it in a bigger time frame. Looks like we were breaking off the EMA again. Market cycle is breakout, pullback, channel, range, and then we start to test. Yeah, so where are we in the market cycle? So bulls got a trend outside bar yesterday, and we broke out of the outside bar. So we're in the breakout phase. This maybe could be the start. This could be the end. The first pullback is like so on the 15-minute chart. Maybe the bars. Let's see the first pullback on the 15-minute chart. Is this okay? So the first pullback also happened on the 15-minute chart. Maybe on the 45. Look, so on the 45-minute chart, we're still breaking out, but it's getting weaker. The bars are shrinking, and then we go back to the 5-minute. So yeah, we're in a breakout or channel phase. It depends what time frame we're looking at. We're looking at the 5-minute, so the 5-minute it looks like we're channeling. Here's the daily and 45-minute time frame. Pretty crazy. Look at this support right here. That's this trend line. Look at this brown trend line. Look at that trend line. It's not brown, it's maroon. I think it is. The bull's got the gap open, double bottom, got the breakout. Let's see the measured move. Was the measured move met? And it was. Dang, did bulls get a gap up today? Look at that. It's already met. That's crazy, crazy, crazy. Wow. You guys see the low of this candle, high of that candle? It's kind of met right there. I'm curious to see what the overnight price action looks like now. Oh, that was deceiving on the daily chart. I don't know why it looked like I was like, whoa, we're gapping up, breaking out. It's just this. You know, actually, that does look pretty good. Dang, look at that bar. 238 was the trade. 242, 240 as well. So yeah, looking pretty bullish so far. We'll see what happens. We're at the channel highs again now, so every single time we came to these highs, we've sold off. I'm just drawing that so you guys can see what I'm talking about. It's not a legit channel like the awesome bottom one. So yeah, we're around the highs, kinda. We went sideways to down every time we approach these highs, or maybe we get a breakout. That'll be interesting to see if we get a breakout of the bull channel, or do we reverse? It'll be fun. Hope you guys are using your stop loss. I appreciate all the support and comments. Let me know what type of trades you guys are taking and what you guys are up to. I think it's gonna be a fun year. I'm looking forward to it. I'm enjoying scalping. It's making the stock market a little more gamey to me, because when I was trading for swings, I was looking for that one swing, but now I'm like, wait, how many times can I be right? You know, it's kind of a little different mentality. But anyways, I appreciate it, guys. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. I drop these every day at 3 p.m. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Thank you.